stop thinking strawberries are berries. You're in for a surprise. Botanically, bananas count as berries because of their seeds, but strawberries don't. Mind blown yet? Here's the deal. True berries come from one flower with one ovary and have a bunch of seeds inside. Bananas fit the bill. But strawberries? Nah, their seeds are on the outside, breaking the berry rules. So next time you eat a banana, think berry-licious. And when you munch on strawberries, remember, they're total berry imposters. Want more weird facts that'll leave you scratching your head? Follow us for more mind-blowing fun.